Hi everyone, this is Mark from Swagger & Jacks. Today I wanted to share with you 5 interesting features about our range of products that you may not already know. What are parabens? Well, some companies use parabens to prolong the shelf life of their product. This chemical is known to create irritation and allergic reactions to both the scalp and to the skin. But you'll be pleased to know that Swagger & Jacks has never used parabens within any of our products. Are our products cruelty free? Absolutely. I'm very proud to say that none of our products have ever been tested on animals. What are sulfates? Sulfates are chemical lathering agents that create irritation to the scalp and to the skin. We never use sulfates in our Swagger & Jacks range of products. They are completely natural and sulfate free. Tell me about your packaging. You'll be pleased to know that most of the products in the Swagger & Jacks range are made of aluminium, which means when you finish using them, if you wash them out, you can put them in your recycling bin. We're always looking for new packaging solutions at Swagger & Jacks. At the moment, our pump dispensers are plastic, but these are plastic with a purpose. They keep your product fresh and stop it from oxidizing, and give you a measured dosage of your product with each application. Where are our products manufactured? I'm pleased to tell you that all of our products are British made, and this we carry on the label of all of our items in the range. So now you know a little bit more about our products, why not give them a try? And if you try them at the moment, we have free contactless UK delivery, and we also have our subscribe and save service where you can receive an extra 10% on all of your favourite products. So please follow us on our social media or check out our website. Thanks guys.